Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix if your computer screen flickering or blinking on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of issue, your laptop or computer screen flickering or blinking, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is a simple restart. A simple restart can resolve various major or minor issues of your computer. So you must a simple restart apply this option and check whether your computer screen is still blinking or flickering. If yes, then go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to Windows Update. From the right side, click on check for updates, and if any update available, simply download and install it in your system. Thereafter go to advanced options and here scroll down and choose optional updates, and if any optional updates available, download and install it. So update your operating system as well as driver updates. Thereafter go to Windows Update and click on update history, and here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find the option uninstall updates. Click on uninstall updates and find out if you have recently installed any Windows latest update and after that problem arises, then uninstall that particular update. There may be a possibility after installing Windows latest update your computer screen blinking or flickering, so uninstall that culprit Windows update. The next workaround is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Here under available device driver list, go to display adapter section, expand it, and right click on your display adapter driver and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. After that, close the wizard and check whether your computer screen is still blinking. Then right click on that particular driver updates, choose properties and go to driver and choose roll back driver. In my case, no any driver recently updated. In your case, if you have updated your driver and your problem arises, then roll back driver. If the device fails after updating the driver, roll back to the previous installed driver. Click on OK and check whether your computer screen is still blinking. Then go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here go to programs and features, and here look for any apps you have recently installed in your system. Then simply select it and choose uninstall. There may be a possibility after installing this update, this app, your computer blinking or flickering.